I think I'm passionate about creating things. And that's really where it comes from. So this is another one of my creations. This is called the impossible chain. So we came up with the idea because we tried to see if the traditional manufacturers could help us make a chain for this bag, but they couldn't. They said it was impossible to make. So what we did is we finally realized, because of our work on the right instruments, that we could potentially be able to 3D print titanium. So we bought this big piece of equipment that 3D prints titanium to make this chain. This isn't a traditional chain where it's one clasp to another. That's how they make chains. And in Italy, they make a lot of the chains for the luxury brands. The top brands, they actually have all their chains made in one location. But they couldn't make our chain. And so we 3D printed titanium, and it takes about somewhere in the 20 to 40 hours of hand polishing the chain. And this is the smaller chain. It takes about 20 to 40 hours. And then after that, then it's plated. But this is solid titanium. The grid is a brick, and we have two different types of materials. One of them we use the titanium for, the other one we use the metal used for satellites. And it starts out a block, and then we engrave out that block, and it's multiple tool changes. We use a diamond tool bits, and then we engrave one side of it, and then you engrave the other side, and then all the components you have to make separately. This is all hollowed out, basically, and then what they have to do is they take this little file, this little Dremel, and they have to Dremel between each little section here. We have a version of this that's red and gold with rubies that will retail for 1.1 million US dollars. And we also have one with black diamonds. So it's a black bag with black diamonds, and that'll also be 1.1 million.